Hello and welcome back to my channel. We are here for a extra special unboxing. So I have done a recent swap with Catherine Hernandez of Mindfull Image. I just finished my first box with her. I wanted to get another one, and then when we did a swap, she sent me a bonus one. And then my mom's birthday is in October. So for her birthday, I ordered a special Alice-in-Wonderland theme box from Catherine for Mom because she's working on her big journal, her big Alice-in-Wonderland journal. So I figured she could do the challenge and that would give her an excuse to work on the journal. But we have this stack of 3 boxes. And we don't know which one is which. So we're gonna start this one and unbox these. I wanted to get these unboxing done because we also are going to be showing off these boxes at our craft fair that we're going to tomorrow. And so I wanted to give our sneak peek reactions to it.
Polka dots! I love polka dots.
Yes, definitely going to be reusing the box. And I haven't seen anyone do this yet, but the box actually is perfect cardboard for a cover. And this one actually is a bigger box, so it's a little bit bigger. The first one was like perfect, it was like that thick. But you can make a nice chunky journal out of this. And even if you didn't want it to be that thick, you just cut this and then cut a smaller spine and then use that. Like, you could probably even make a couple covers out of this box. So this is new. Ooh, nice. Got her logo. And then, dear friend, thank you for your subscription to the Mindfull Junk Journaling Challenge box. You have received an assortment of vintage junk and new items collected and curated to spark your creativity and challenge you to create with materials that you might have never used before. This subscription box can be used in different ways. You can just enjoy all the items and then add them to your stash or collection. No, boring. Or you can join us in the Mindfull Challenge. This is how the Mindfull Challenge works. I challenge you to make a junk journaling project utilizing every item in your box, including tools. You do not have to use the full or complete amount of each item you're receiving. You do not have to use the shipping supplies as part of the challenge, but you are welcome to. You can use any of your own supplies and tools. This will be a monthly challenge. To participate, join us in our Facebook group where you can ask questions, share your box, your project, and even swap items with other subscribers to complete the challenge. Stay tuned for all updates by joining the Mindfull community. Every month I'll be choosing a winner from the participants, and that winner will receive a free additional Mindfull Challenge box. I hope you enjoy your box very much, and I hope to see you soon in our group so that you can share your box, your ideas, and your project with us. And then you can scan the code. There we go. You can scan that code and join the Facebook group. It is a lot of fun. There's been a lot of cool swaps on there too. There's that. And I'm not going to read that all 3 times, but that I'm pretty sure is in every box. So, which one? We got some tape on here. Yeah. Maybe. Ugh, I hate tape on boxes. Okay. Oh! It's falling out.
Hey!
So there's her business card falling out, and I just totally flipped this over, which is probably not a great idea. My bad. There we go. Okay. Which one is this? Oh, dang it, another piece of tape. Catherine! There's more. Okay. 7 million pieces of tape. At least it didn't open. Which way is the camera? Please. Okay, cool. We'll do that. Still don't know. Got some pretty paper.
Ooh.
Oh my gosh. It's blue. Ooh, look at that.
Pretty.
All right, so you gotta take these out.
Oh.
That's so pretty.
Ow.
Ooh.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
The things that you could do with that.
I
She's
got
like
goosebumps.
Look at all of those.
Beads.
Can you say beads for our pens, actually?
Beads.
Might steal like half of that necklace. Or those stamps.
Yes, they're stamps. Nice.
Truth. What is it?
What's it? I'm proud of you. You can do it. You're all kinds of awesome. Pretty.
Nice. Ooh.
Interesting. Goes on a spine. There's so many pretty things.
Ooh, there's another one. Wait, is that a clasp? No, it's part of it.
Cool. No, but actually, it goes on the spine.
Yeah. Ooh. We're going to have so many cool spines in this group. Everyone was freaking out about Genevieve's spine. That's so cool.
Oh.
Look at all of those. Okay. Let's look through some of these digitals. Oh, she like packaged them like together. We gotta use that. Technically, that's packaging, but I'm sure you can use that.
It's plenty. There's a couple yards there.
That's what I love about these boxes is she always puts so much,
It's
especially
an
with
envelope.
trends.
Pockets. Oh, they're already cut out. I love you, Catherine. I hate cutting
And they're the
out.
nice, like, cardstocky kind of.
Yes, I hate cutting stuff out. Mingo.
There's Domingo. What are these? You skipped them.
I'm excited. Sorry.
How long is forever? That sounds like something Laura would ask. There's your bunny.
Bunny.
Cool. Look at all those pockets. And tucks. Ooh. Cool. Very nice. These are awesome. I know you wanted more of that stuff.
Yeah. Oh, look at that.
It's like an envelope tuck.
Pocket thing.
Envelope.
Yeah. Envelope. Yes. It's an
Envelopes.
envelope.
Look at all the envelopes. Someone's calling someone. Oh, wait. Hello. And we're back. Okay. Belly bands and tucks and bookmarks. Ooh, tabs. Ooh, Alice, Queen of Hearts, Mad Hatter, Tea Party, Wonderland. Ooh, that might be an interesting way to organize the journal.
Yeah, because I got very overwhelmed with all the ideas floating around in my head. It's like the tunnel of falling down into Wonderland, and I was like, I got a cover made, and that was it.
Okay, so bring this back. Ooh, it's magic ribbon.
It is magic ribbon, we call it, because depending on what you
iridescent.
stick it with.
It looks like blue. Oh, now it looks like pink. Yeah. Ooh, it's like Alice's dress. What could you even do with that? So many things. Cover, page flip. Who knows? Oh my gosh. And you have to use all of these things. Like not all of each one, but like you have to use some of everything. What's this? What is it? What is it? What is it? Careful. What is it? Is that roses?
It smells like tea, but it is roses, yes.
Ooh. That's very interesting.
For supporting my small business. Oh, it smells so good.
You could use those to tea dye paper to put in the journal. There's another one. That's not
Ooh, that
tea.
no, that one's heavy.
Is that like paper clips or something? Vintage beads.
I'm cold. I'm so.
Ooh, 1 second. We've got Okay.
I love these colors. Oh my goodness.
All right, ignore the clattering and stuff you're gonna hear in the background. The groceries just came in, and we gotta get stuff ready for the show tomorrow. It's 11 o'clock at night, so we're just gonna have some background family noise. Don't worry. That is huge.
Oh
my
wow.
gosh. Like I could almost see like a poofy blue cover with all these pretty things. Maybe.
Oh.
Unless you already started a cover. You might have to do a whole new journal. I don't know.
Yeah. Lace.
Ooh. Ooh, are those adhesive? Nice.
Yes.
So these are, what do they call them? Seals? Like wax seals?
Oh my goodness, I love all the lace.
Embroidery. Looks like it's... What is that?
It's scary looking.
A phone ring with a strap. What? You know what? That could be a little spine dangle though. Put some little like hearts and clubs and stuff on it.
That is cool.
That's so funny. It's like a Christmas tribble.
Yes. I was like, my brain's going Star Trek there. It matches these.
Oh, I didn't even see these. You took them out so fast. Whoa. Okay, so that's like a corner thing, maybe? Oh, that could easily go on the spine too. Wait. Hang on. Oh, it's a spine! Oh, so cool. Anyway, sorry. This is your journal, not my journal.
Oh my goodness.
It's the paper. Okay.
This is so cool.
Ooh, what is that? This is
fabric ribbon.
nice. And the great thing about wire ribbon is if you don't like the wire in it, you can always take the wire out and it just turns into regular fabric. It's great. I love you more than grilled cheese. That'll be interesting to put into the journal. You gotta use one of these at least once. Maybe do like one page that's like all of them. Dan, I love you more than grilled cheese. Wherever you are. Rip the paper. It's your birthday.
I know, but I thought I can still use part of it. See, it's pretty.
Is this cardstock? It is.
It's cardstock.
Oh, wow. Wait, that looks familiar. Don't you have those?
Well, she's in a lot of different designs.
But it matches what you already have.
Yes.
And so is that. And that. So it already matches the journal you're working on. That's so cool. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. These are, I think, these are probably Catherine's.
I think those are so cool. Oh.
Those are so cool.
Nee.
I think these are Catherine's AI images. Like she makes them with AI. So you're not going to find them anywhere else.
I was gonna say, I've looked through so much Alice-in-Wonderland stuff that this is something that I hadn't seen. This is gorgeous.
Oh, so pretty.
Oh.
He's so cool.
Yeah.
The small cool that we brought.
Oh my goodness.
Whoa.
Ooh. Is he different?
Yeah, he's different. And she's different.
The small cool that
Oh.
That's really cool. He's getting younger.
Just so cool. Thank you, made me forget it for me, and thank you, Catherine, for making such beautiful things.
They're so awesome. So I can't wait to see. Okay, sorry.
Everything's a craft supply until proven otherwise.
Yes, okay. Got excited. Okay.
Now. Oh.
Okay, so that is part 1. Mom's box. All right.